Good morning.
Good morning.
So what day is today? Today is Tuesday. And how about date? What date is today?
23. Are you sure?
Today is December
31st.
Yes, I heard it. 31st or 31. So meaning today is the last day of 2024.
所以今天是2024的That's right. 最后一天咯。
So this morning we're going to talk about New Year's. Can everybody please say New Year?
New Year.
Say goodbye 2024.
Goodbye 2024.
And welcome 2025.
Welcome 2025.
Okay. So later midnight we are going to welcome 2025 and you are going to greet your family, friends, a Happy New Year. Can you please follow teacher? Say Happy New Year.
New Year.
Let's say it 3 times. Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year. Go!
Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year. Yes, 所以今天是最后一天，所以到了晚上的时候，你可以跟你的家人们说什么 ？Yes， 英文叫做 Happy New Year. Yes.
And second, we have countdown. You follow teacher, say countdown.
Countdown
To New Year.
New Year.
So let's try to read as fast as you can. Say countdown to New Year.
Countdown to New Year.
Great job. So let's say it 3 times. Go. Countdown to New Year. Countdown to New Year. Countdown to New Year. So when we say countdown, it's from the final seconds 10 to 1, counting backwards.
So you want to practice a little bit? 我们要不要来倒数一下，练习一下？
Let's start with 10, counting backwards,
From
okay?
10 to 1. Are you ready?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New
Happy New
Year!
Year. Remember.
Okay, so you are going to say Happy New Year. So remember, countdown, final seconds, 10 to number 1.
所以倒数就是10到1，好，刚刚有模拟过了，这一次新年跨年记得哈。All right.
And don't forget, after counting backwards or the final seconds, you are going to say Happy
New Year.
Very good. Okay, and number 3, I know you are excited with number 3. So that is fireworks. Very good. Are you excited to watch fireworks?
烟火好看吗？好看，漂亮吗？大声吗？会臭臭的吗？如果你在现场，可能会闻到一些味道啊。Fireworks.
Okay, so raise your hand if you are going to watch fireworks later.
有人准备要去看烟火的举手。Wow.
Wow.
A lot of people are going.
Or in Taipei 101 or in Tongcheng.
I think Taipei 101. 你有去过台北101看烟火的举手。
Wow.
So many. 这么多，真假 ？OK， 好。
Okay, so let's read and say fireworks 3 times. Go.
Fireworks, fireworks, fireworks.
Okay. And last one, we have drone show. Follow teacher. Say drone
Drone
show.
show.
show. Drone show. Drone show. Drone show.
Give me 1 second. 那个 drone 大家练习一下，来一起 drone， 然后把它声音拉长一点 ，drone go。哦，因为它本来是蜜蜂的声音，所以这个字是从蜜蜂的声音来的。It's from the sound of a bee. So one more time, drone show. 所以下次你听到好像有一群蜜蜂要飞过来了，第一个有可能是蜜蜂，第二个有可能是什么秀 ？Drone show， 无人机的声音。
So drone show, this is a flying device and we call it drone because you can see it in the sky while they're moving, so you can see pictures or patterns.
对，现在的无人机秀很厉害哈，那个可以一次出动很多台，然后呢可以在天空中出现很多的影像。像这边你看到的，这是一只是熊吗？I don't know， 有点像猫，有点像熊的东西。
So as you can see in the picture, what is this? It's a bear. Very good, a bear.
Okay.
So this picture or pattern of a bear is from the flying drones.
这
Okay.
个就是一台一台的无人机，然后变成那个图案。Okay, so that's a drone show.
So now let's review the 4 keywords for today's English lesson. Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Okay, let's do the countdown 10 to number 1 and you are going to say Happy New Year. Okay?
Let's count down again. 再模拟一次哦。Are you
Okay,
ready?
1, 2, 3, go.
10,
9,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Yes.
Very good. One more time, say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!
And number 2, everybody say countdown to New Year.
Countdown to New Year.
Say final counting.
Final counting.
The third one, everybody say fireworks.
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 And last, everybody say drone show.
Drone show.
One more time, drone show.
Drone show.
Okay, very good. So now, any volunteers, remember that's okay to try.
有没有人要出来试看看呢？
So who wants to spell Happy New Year?
Happy New Year.
So we have 2 volunteers here, okay? Jenna, Vinny. Okay, from this group, 2
First one.
boys. Okay, how about this group?
Happy New
Okay, give
Year.
up.
Okay, one moment.
Okay, can you spell the word drone? Drone.
Okay, thank you. Okay, stay here.
And you write show. 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 You write fireworks. Fireworks. Very good. Wow. Okay, fireworks. Yes, very good. Okay, so now let's have from what grade are you in? Grade 3. What is your name? What is your name? Jeannie. Okay, can you please read what did you write on this? Are you ready? Okay, so please face. Okay, so what did you write?
I write Happy New Year.
Okay, teacher, say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
How about you? Happy New Year. Okay, let's give Jenna and Jeannie 3 claps. Go.
Up.
Okay, so now let's have from grade. What grade are you in?
Here.
Grade 4.
You?
Grade 4. Jaden, grade?
Grade 4.
Grade 4. So what did you spell?
Draw.
Drone. How do you spell drone? Can you say the letters?
D-R-O-N.
Wow.
Very good, drone. And the other word from Jaden, what did you write?
Show.
Show. How do you spell show?
S-H-O-W.
Wow. Let's give Paul B and Jaden 3 claps. Go.
Up.
Okay,
Firework.
and final word.
Firework.
What did you spell?
Fireworks.
Fireworks. So how do you spell fireworks?
F-I-R-E-W-O-R-K-S.
Okay,
Excellent.
so 3 claps for Ivan.
3 claps.
Okay, so great job. So let's do the final review. Say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Countdown to New Year.
Countdown to New Year.
Fireworks.
Fireworks.
Drone show.
Drone show.
Okay, so that's all. Thank you and have a Happy New Year.
Okay, thank you, Miss Anne. Thank you, all the teachers.